Here's hype. Let's go to the hype charts. It's Pepe. Okay. So who could have foreseen this? Had the fibs drawn out on hype. Get up to, let me put this in log. There we go. Okay. So we set our range. We bounce between 1.618 and the 1 top of the range. So we tagged this perfectly on this move in June. Pull back. Come back down to range highs. Tag it perfectly. So hype, we know, respects fibs. Breaks back up. Does what? Breaks back above. Creates support. Looking to make a push again. Hype is going to hit these targets. Look at the targets that we had set out for hype. I said, this is your zone right here. This is your fib confluence. 2.618 from the linear, 1.618 from the logarithmic Fibonacci confluence. Guess where this puppy's heading to? Bang, right in here. Bang. Here, leave moonbag in case we just continue to fucking cook insane. But this is what I'm expecting on hype. So there's still a lot of juice left in hype. But there's more juice in the hype beta, which is PURR. PURR has not begun to run yet. PURR is actually lagging hype pretty hard right now, which is okay. One, I've been loading up on more PURR, and we've been inside the Discord talking about loading up more PURR. So we've been loading it up. And, oops, what the fuck? We've been loading up more PURR here. It's consolidating, it's moving sideways. Okay, this is accumulation. This is getting accumulated right here. PURR is about to fucking light on fire once hype tops. When you see hype top, you're going to see all those whales rotate their profits, keep it on the exchange, and rotate it into what? Right into PURR. Same way it happened last pump. Same way it happened last alt top, which was in December of 2024. You saw that happen. You see this massive rotation into PURR from hype. So I'll show you like this. So this is the play we're doing on Hyperliquid. Okay. Bottom. Top. 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 This wasn't a top. It's just the chart doesn't go back far enough, but you get the point. Top, top. Hype draws down. PURR draws down. Hype bottoms. What does PURR do? Bottoms at the same time. Hype tops. PURR tops. Hype tops. PURR tops. What do you see here? Hype is getting ready to do something disgusting based off of what this is doing. In theory, if this is at a new all-time high hype, you would think that PURR would have done this with hype. So it looks like it may have decoupled. Well, what I believe is happening is this is actually getting suppressed and getting accumulated. Within this range. And once this breaks this range, you're going to see new highs on PURR. Why? Because you're going to see this waterfall effect from the move that we're going to continue to get on hype up to $100. And PURR's going to lag. PURR will go up, but it's not going to go up against hype until hype tops. When hype makes its top and it starts to distribute and then start to move lower, that's when you're going to see PURR break out of this accumulation and break out to new all-time highs. It's going to do disgusting numbers. It's going to do, conservatively, in my opinion, I say 5x. It's going to $1. If it's at 18 cents right now, it goes to $1. There's over a 5x. So you can see the relationship between the two, right? As hype bottoms, PURR bottoms. As hype tops, PURR tops, except for right here, which this looks like a price suppression to accumulate by whales, which obviously in the long run is good for us. So there you have it. So this looks like a sideways accumulation on PURR. And guess what I did? Bought some here, bought some in here. Why not? All right, it's accumulating. So I'll accumulate as well. And look, isn't that funny? First fib on PURR, 95 cents. So I would start looking to take some bread, shave some off in here. Little 5x. Okay. Love PURR. PURR's a great play.